Hello, in this latest video I'm looking at PowerPoint, and just a really quick tip, something they introduced a while back, which I thought is really useful, is closed captions in PowerPoint. So if we click into the PowerPoint, when you hit present, one of the options you've got is to use subtitles. So when I click on that, for the first time I do it, it'll ask me to enable my microphone, and you can see there's a listening prompt comes up, and then it will provide captions to what I'm saying. Now, it's not 100% accurate, but it's pretty close. You can see it's thrown in some random words there. But I could see this being a great addition if you're presenting where there may be some background noise or people just want to be able to be sure you're saying the right thing. So in my first attempt at recording this video, the captions were really very accurate. But we have had a couple of random words be inserted, but still I think it would be of use, and I see no reason so not to single out certain students. I'd tend now to use closed captions in all of my presentations because it just means that everyone can see what's being said. I could also see this a great way if you were to use a screen recorder, say Screencastify. You could include the captions in your presentation as you're presenting it and record that, and then share that via your VLE or your Teams or Google Classroom site. So there you have it. Hope you found it useful. Remember to like the video, remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and join me again soon for more EdTech videos.